Portals. The children in the Narnia Tales by C.S. Lewis entered another world through a wardrobe. Walking through the portal onto the Mount Whitney Trail generates a similar spiritual experience. The journey up the mountain with its physical challenges and breathtaking natural beauty provides one's very soul with an opportunity for self-discovery, reflection, and a deep connection with creation and its source.
Hello from Whitney Portal. About to start the hike. It is 10:20 in the morning. My pack weighs 45 pounds according to the scale here, which is sort of a ritual you have to go through. And very much looking forward to this beautiful day. Stunning scenery.
As you ascend the mountain, you may find yourself reflecting on your life's journey and our Creator's very calling, Latin vocation. The solitude and peacefulness of the endeavor can provide an ideal setting for introspection and self-discovery. Climbing with others can foster a sense of community and shared purpose. The shared journey, and the Greek word for that is synod, on the path together, with David Kaufman, Catherine from Germany, and the brilliant insights from George, whom I met on the trail, generated mutual support as we bonded over the challenges and triumphs of the climb. The act of climbing can symbolize letting go of burdens, worries, and attachments. As you ascend higher, you can metaphorically release the weight of negative emotions, past regrets, and fears, allowing you to feel lighter and more free. A deep sense of grace replaces the burdens of life. King David in the Psalms called this chesed in Hebrew, the Creator's benevolence streaming out to us 24/7. We just have to be receptive. Climbing a mountain requires focus and attention to each step, especially during challenging sections of the trail. This focus on the present moment can lead to a state of heightened clarity, where worries about the past or future fade away, and one is fully present in the here and now. Gazing out over the vast landscapes from the summit can offer a broader perspective on life's challenges and triumphs. In the midst of summit conquest, we sense the cold reality of our limitations and how finite life in this world actually is. Reaching the summit after a strenuous climb can evoke feelings of gratitude for the journey, the beauty of nature, and the opportunity to experience such a unique adventure. Gratitude paves the way into the very throne room of God. For me, reaching the summit of a mountain like Whitney can evoke a welling up of deep emotion. I choked up while taking a photo of a young couple from Latvia holding the summit sign together.
George, what do you think?
We made it.
Yep.
And we're only halfway there.
That's true. We gotta get down.
Climbing a mountain can symbolize a personal journey, renewal, and rebirth. Just as the mountain's landscape changes as you ascend, you may feel a sense of inner transformation by the time you reach the summit. As the good book says in Greek, metanoieta, translated, climb to a higher mind, come to a higher perspective. Unfortunately, we badly translate that word into English as repent. So where is your next portal? Find it, go through it, experience rebirth, onward and upward.